The elytra are hardened forewings that function in protecting the body and the hindwings. The hindwings are folded up underneath the elytra when not being used for flight. In flightless beetles, the elytra in some species are fused into a single hardened case. In beetles that fly, the beetle raises the elytra, allowing the functional hindwings to unfold and be used for flight. This can be seen in this video of the eucalyptus tortoise beetle. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos.